Hello and welcome back to another video on my YouTube. Today we're going to be taking a look at this exponential equation with two unknowns, and we have to find some values for each of them. So where do we begin, you may ask? We're going to start by using a difference of two squares law. So we know that 4 to the power of a is 2 squared to the power of a, whilst 36 to the power of b is 6 squared to the power of b. And so using this commutativity of indices laws, we know that a to the power of m to the power of n is also equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. And so we can rewrite what we had before on the starter screen as 2 to the power of a all squared take away 6 to the power of b all squared is equal to 28. And so this is the difference of two squares law. We can rewrite what I have just said and turn it into this: 2 to the power of a plus 6 to the power of b multiplied by 2 to the power of a minus 6 to the power of b, all equal to 28 again. So we know that both 2 to the power of a and 6 to the power of b are even numbers because the bases are even, and there's no way to get an odd number if we have any different power. And so the only two values that are even and multiplied to 28 are 2 and 14. Because we're looking at integer solutions, the addition side of the multiplication must be larger than the subtraction side, because the values we have can only be from 0 and above. And so we can simply equate 2 and 14 to the multiplication above. We put in the smaller value of 2 with the negative minus sign, and we can equate 14 with the positive sign, because 14 will be the larger of the two. And so when we combine the simultaneous, this might take a minute to work out. Essentially we have to add them together to essentially remove the 6 to the power of b, because the minus 6 to the power of b and the plus 6 to the power of b both cancel out. And so we have 2 to the power of a and 2 to the power of a and 2 and 14 left. So we have two lots of 2 to the power of a, and 14 add 2 is 16. So how do we get a from here? We essentially need to divide by 2 to get 2 to the power of a is 8, and we have to look at what power of 2 gets to 8. It's the third power, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4, and the third 2 multiplies to get 8. So what is b? We need to take what we know, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and substitute it back into the equations above. So we get 8, take away 6 to the power of b is equal to 2, and it's quite obvious what b is, right? It's just 1. And there we have it. A is 3 and b as 1 are the only solutions to this equation. So thank you for watching this video today. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.